Hello everyone, my name is Bill Eisminger, and today we're going to talk about the ethical considerations for genetic alterations. So what are the ethical issues? Well, I'm going to cover the five ethical areas defined in the ANA Code of Ethics. So the first one is non-maleficence, which is to do no harm. Next is beneficence, which is to do good. Justice, which is fairness for all and equality. Fidelity, being faithful to your agreements. And veracity, which is telling the truth, even if it means doing harm. So first we'll talk about the non-maleficence, which is to do no harm. Changing the genetics to prevent disease or birth defects has its side effects. You can have a normal baby, or you can end up with a baby that is deformed and has breathing problems, as evidenced by this trach tube that they have. Next is beneficence, doing good. Certainly with the DNA testing they have today, they can predict cancers, they can change the medications to target cells, so there's a potential for great good to be done with genetic alterations. Next we have justice, making sure everyone can benefit from genetic alterations, to make sure that everyone has equal access. Not just the rich who can afford to make designer babies, but people who need cancer treatments. Next we have fidelity, which means being faithful in our agreements to our patients for care. So making sure that as procedures and policies evolve, we're being faithful to those in our patients. Next we have veracity, which is telling the truth, even if it means harm. So when you're talking with your patients about, you're counseling them about genetic alterations, whether it's a designer baby or preventing a disease or treating cancer, we have to make sure that we tell all our patients about the risks associated with genetic alterations. So finally, in reflection, we as nurses have to examine our own personal values and beliefs, and look at the ethical values. And what you'll find is, and what I believe is, as the technology advances and evolves, so will our ethics. I think they will evolve as well. So that's all I have. Thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.